outside. Now stop. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and see. Nature, it surrounds us. It keeps us going, but can also make us stop. See the vast array of colors. See the animals who make this their home. See the water who carves its own path to see the world. Smell the fresh shower of rain. Smell the newly sprung flowers. And smell the free, relaxing air of nature. Hear the chirping conversations of birds. Hear the wind rustling the leaves and the trees. Hear your feet crunching the ground as you venture and seek. Feel and touch the mud squishing underneath your toes. Feel the grass running smoothly through your fingers. And feel the sun's warming touch on your skin. Nature. It's becoming limited unless we stop it. Love your surroundings. Love the earth. Love yourself because you are nature.